ClickUp Review, a powerful all-in-one productivity platform. Introduction. ClickUp is a cloud-based project management and productivity tool designed to help teams and individuals manage tasks, collaborate efficiently, and streamline workflows. Launched in 2017, ClickUp has rapidly gained popularity due to its extensive customization options, automation features, and flexibility across different industries. Unlike traditional project management software, ClickUp is more than just a task management tool. It aims to replace multiple apps like Trello, Asana, Monday.com, and even Google Docs by offering all-in-one functionality. But is ClickUp the right choice for your team or business? Let's dive into its features, pricing, pros and cons, and best use cases to find out. Key features of ClickUp. 1. Task and project management. ClickUp provides a robust task management system where users can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress. Some notable features include task hierarchy, organize tasks into lists, folders, and spaces for better structure. Multiple views, choose between list, board, Kanban, Gantt, calendar, and table views. Recurring tasks, automate repetitive tasks to save time. Time estimates and tracking, plan workloads effectively with built-in time tracking. 2. Customization and automation. One of ClickUp's standout features is its high level of customization. Users can modify workflows to suit their team's unique needs. Custom fields, add extra data fields to tasks for better organization. Automations, set up triggers and actions to automate workflows, e.g. moving a task to in progress when assigned. Templates, pre-built templates for different industries and use cases. 3. Collaboration and communication. ClickUp makes team collaboration seamless by integrating various communication tools. Real-time chat, keep conversations within tasks for easy reference, comments and mentions, tag team members, assign action items, and track updates. Docs and whiteboards, create documents, wikis, and visual brainstorming boards directly within ClickUp. Email integration, send and receive emails without leaving ClickUp. 4. Reporting and analytics. ClickUp's reporting tools provide valuable insights into team productivity. Dashboards, customizable widgets to track project progress, time tracking, and more. Workload management, see how tasks are distributed among team members. Goals and OKRs, set objectives and track team performance. 5. Integrations and API. ClickUp integrates with over 1,000 plus third-party apps, including Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Zapier, Jira, Dropbox, GitHub. For developers, ClickUp's public API allows deeper customization and automation. Pricing plans. ClickUp offers several pricing tiers to cater to individuals, small teams, and enterprises. 1. Free plan. Unlimited tasks. Up to 5 spaces. Limited integrations. 100 MB storage. Best for freelancers, small teams, and individuals looking for basic task management. 2. Unlimited plan, $7 per user/month. Everything in free plan. Unlimited integrations. Unlimited dashboards. Advanced reporting. Best for small to mid-sized teams needing collaboration and reporting features. 3. Business plan, $12 per user/month. Everything in unlimited plan. Advanced automations. Timelines and workload views. Google SSO and security controls. Best for mid-sized businesses and growing teams needing automation and analytics. 4. Business Plus plan, $19 per user/month. Custom permissions. Priority support. Team sharing. Increased automation limits. Best for large teams managing complex projects across multiple departments. 5. Enterprise plan, custom pricing. Everything in Business Plus plan. HIPAA compliance. Dedicated account manager. Enterprise security and legal compliance. Best 4. Large organizations with strict security and compliance requirements. Use cases. Who should use ClickUp? 1. Project managers. ClickUp's Gantt charts, workload views, and task dependencies make it ideal for managing complex projects. 2. Marketing teams. Content calendars, campaign tracking, and automation tools help marketing teams streamline workflows. 3. Software development teams. Agile workflows, GitHub/Jira integrations, and sprint tracking make ClickUp a great option for developers. 4. Startups and entrepreneurs. ClickUp's free plan provides powerful tools for small teams and solopreneurs looking for an affordable solution. 5. Large enterprises. Security, automation, and scalability features make ClickUp a good fit for corporations managing multiple teams. Pros and cons of ClickUp. Pros: highly customizable, tailor workflows, views, and automations to fit any team's needs. Multiple views, list, Kanban, calendar, Gantt, table, and mind maps improve task visualization. Feature-rich free plan, offers more tools than most competitors. Integrations and API, connect ClickUp with over 1,000 plus third-party apps. Scalability, works for freelancers, startups, and enterprises alike. Robust collaboration tools, chat, docs, whiteboards, and in-task comments enhance teamwork. Cons: steep learning curve. Due to its extensive features, ClickUp can be overwhelming for beginners. Performance issues: some users report slow loading times, especially for larger projects. Mobile app limitations: the mobile experience is not as polished as the desktop version. Too many features for some users. Small teams may find ClickUp's feature set excessive. ClickUp use cases: how different teams can benefit. ClickUp is an all-in-one work management tool designed to serve a variety of industries, roles, and business sizes. Whether you're managing a freelance project, a startup team, or a large enterprise, ClickUp provides tailored features to optimize workflows, improve collaboration, and enhance productivity. Below, we explore how ClickUp can be utilized across various sectors. 1. Project management and team collaboration. Best 4. Project managers, team leaders, and organizations handling multiple projects. ClickUp is an exceptional project management tool that allows teams to stay organized, on schedule, and efficient. With features like task dependencies, Gantt charts, time tracking, and workload management, teams can visualize progress, delegate work, and track project timelines seamlessly. Key features for project management. Gantt charts helps in tracking milestones, setting dependencies, and ensuring deadlines are met. Task dependencies assign relationships between tasks, e.g., task B cannot start until task A is completed. Workload view displays each team member's workload to prevent burnout and balance tasks effectively. Automations automate repetitive tasks like moving a task to completed when all subtasks are finished. Dashboards get an overview of project progress, team performance, and budget tracking in one place. Example use case. A marketing agency managing multiple client campaigns can use ClickUp's board view to track different projects, set task deadlines with reminders, and monitor team workload in real time. 2. Software development and agile workflows. Best 4. Developers, agile teams, scrum masters, and product managers. ClickUp is well suited for agile and scrum methodologies, offering sprint planning, bug tracking, GitHub/Jira integrations, and automation tools. Key features for developers: sprint management, plan and track sprints using the sprint view. Bug tracking, organize and assign bugs, set priorities, and track fixes. Code review and documentation, store technical documentation using ClickUp Docs. GitHub/Jira integration, sync repositories and tasks for seamless development. Automated workflows, move a task from in progress to QA automatically once development is done. Example use case. A software startup using ClickUp can organize sprints, assign tasks to developers, track bug fixes, and integrate with GitHub for real-time updates on code commits. 3. Marketing and content creation. Best 4. digital marketers, content creators, and SEO specialists. Marketing teams often juggle content calendars, campaign planning, social media scheduling, and client deliverables. ClickUp streamlines this by offering collaborative tools, automation, and real-time progress tracking. Key features for marketers: content calendar view, manage blog posts, social media schedules, and content pipelines. Campaign tracking, plan multi-channel campaigns with progress dashboards. Automated approvals, set up automatic approval workflows for content reviews. SEO management, track keyword research, backlinks, and analytics in ClickUp Docs. Social media integration, connect ClickUp with social tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Example use case: a content marketing team at a SaaS company can use ClickUp's calendar view to schedule blog posts, track SEO performance, and collaborate on draft approvals in real time. 4. Remote teams and virtual collaboration. Best for remote workers, distributed teams, and hybrid workplaces. With the rise of remote work, ClickUp serves as a central hub for communication, collaboration, and productivity. Key features for remote teams: real-time chat, built-in messaging for team discussions. Video recording and comments, leave video messages for asynchronous communication. Task assignments and due dates, ensure clarity on who is responsible for what. Time tracking, monitor productivity with built-in time tracking. Goal setting and progress tracking, keep remote teams aligned on objectives. Example use case: a fully remote company with employees across different time zones can collaborate using ClickUp's Docs, leave async video comments, and track project progress using dashboards. 5. Human resources and recruiting. Best for HR teams, recruiters, and hiring managers. ClickUp simplifies HR operations, from recruitment tracking to employee onboarding and performance management. Key features for HR teams: applicant tracking system, ATS manage job applications in Kanban view. Onboarding checklists, streamline new hire processes with pre-built templates. Performance reviews, track employee goals and feedback. Meeting notes and docs, store employee documentation in ClickUp. HR reporting, use dashboards to track hiring metrics and employee engagement. Example use case: a recruitment agency can use ClickUp to track candidates, schedule interviews, and automate follow-up emails, ensuring a smooth hiring process. 6. Finance and accounting. Best for finance teams, accountants, and CFOs. Finance teams handle budgeting, expense tracking, and financial reporting. ClickUp centralizes these processes for better organization and efficiency. Key features for finance teams: expense tracking, custom fields for financial data. Automated workflows, automate invoice approvals and payment reminders. Budget forecasting, use dashboards to track financial KPIs. Recurring tasks, set up automated reminders for tax filings or audits. Example use case: a corporate finance team can use ClickUp to track monthly expenses, monitor budgets, and set up recurring tax reminders. 7. Customer support and help desk management. Best for customer service teams and support agents. ClickUp enhances customer support teams by streamlining ticketing, tracking response times, and managing issue resolution. Key features for customer support. Ticket management, use lists or board view for tracking support tickets. Response time analytics, monitor resolution times via dashboards. Knowledge base and FAQs, store customer help guides in ClickUp Docs. Automation, auto-assign tickets based on category. Example use case: a SaaS company's customer support team can use ClickUp to manage incoming tickets, track resolution times, and maintain an FAQ database. 8. Education and e-learning. Best for teachers, students, course creators, and trainers. ClickUp helps educators, tutors, and e-learning platforms organize courses, track student progress, and manage assignments. Key features for educators: lesson planning, organize classes and assignments. Student tracking, monitor progress with dashboards. Content storage, store lecture notes in ClickUp Docs. Collaboration tools, allow students to collaborate on group projects. Example use case: a university professor can use ClickUp to organize syllabi, track student assignments, and automate grading workflows. Final thoughts. 6. Finance and accounting. Best for finance teams, accountants, and CFOs. Finance teams handle budgeting, expense tracking, and financial reporting. ClickUp centralizes these processes for better organization and efficiency. Key features for finance teams: expense tracking, custom fields for financial data, automated